Hello and welcome to the Focus Buddy extension demo. So Focus Buddy extension is a Chrome extension developed to measure your focus and productivity as well as improve it. So this extension tracks the activities that you do in the browser, like the tab changes, the sites you are visiting, and the time you are spending there, and many more. Using this data, it do some analysis and give you the insights into it so that you can take steps to improve it. For example, uh, here is how we saw the statistics, like the session started at this time, and then some basic stats like the tab change count, the unique sites visited, and the current site and its category. Okay, so now we'll come to these buttons later. So now we come to the visualizations part. Here the first visualization is a pie chart for time spent on each categories. For example, I spent 56 minutes in coding, then productivity 30 minutes, and in this way various things. Then the focus versus distraction pie chart. This is very important, right? We have categorized all these categories into focus or distraction. So then we move on to the domain active time bar chart. This bar chart shows the top domains ranked on the basis of their time, like the time is in the milliseconds. Then we move on to the tab switching chart. This tells you for how many times you switch the tab in this time, right? In this duration. Then the top 10 sites you visited, like the last here we have the domain, then we have the last visited time, then the total active time, and the category. Okay, so in this way this is the basic part of the extension, basic UI in the side panel. So to talk more about its use cases and the features, we're moving on to the presentation. So it helps the user understand the browsing habits, reduce distractions, and improve efficiency. Okay, so like we talk about the four main features there. Also, I missed one feature, that is the get AI insights. This uses the llama 3 70 billion parameters LLM, and it passes the data, basically the tracked the data. This does not contain any personal information. We only do the surface level tracking of only the domain, not the exact link you are visiting. Okay, so there is no concern of privacy here. So when you click this button, like it will make a call and it will get the AI insights response. This tells this analyze the behavior of the user basically. Then it gives some tips on how to improve the productivity, like you can see here. Okay, and another thing is start new session. You can click it and start a new session. Like all these things will be set to 0 and the session started time will be updated. Okay, so now again we are moving on to the presentation. Like we talked about the visualization previously, then the tag behind it, that is event driven tracking, that is efficient collection without performance overhead. Okay, and local storage we are using, and that's the main thing. Thank you.